Yeah, my main goal when I go out to a job site is just to be honest with the customer. If they don't need a new driveway, I'm going to flat out tell them they don't need a new driveway, or at least they can get a few more years left out of the driveway. Or if we can repair it, that's the route we're going to go. We're never going to try to take money from people or try to upsell. I'll always try to help the customer and get them what they want, but never going to try to take any money and upsell anything.
Just talking to people. I know I've been in the industry long enough to know what we're doing. So when people have questions, I love telling them exactly what's going on, and so they can feel good about what they're going to get from us at J&W.
Well, once somebody's decided to go with J&W, it's always nice for them to really know that we're not going anywhere. We've been in the industry for over 45 years, and we're going to be here for another 45 or better. It's our hope to be able to provide a very good product from the get-go, but for them to know that once that transaction is done, we're not walking away. We are always going to be here.